I didn't like my father.
Thank you.
He was poor and unsuccessful, despite working harder than all my friends' fathers. I didn't think he was very smart.
It's not for you.
I've never seen him as an inspiration.
Hey, what?
We are late for school.
Oh yeah, school. Sorry, hurry. Oh, here's your pocket money. Here's a bit of extra. Time to pay your taxes. It's from you. It's from me.
Why are we not rich?
Who says we are not rich? Being rich is not about how much you have, but how much you give. And somehow, when you give, you'll be happier.
I wasn't happy. I didn't want to be poor like my father when I grew up. I knew I wanted to be more successful than my father.
Call me when you need more money. Are you coming back for reunion dinner this year?
No, I'm not coming home this year. Yeah, new job here. Maybe after New Year, we'll see. Yeah, I'm really busy now. Okay, bye.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Lim. So good to finally meet you in person.
I found this letter saying that I've been donating money to the community chest. There must be a mistake.
I'll explain later. There's someone who would like to meet you. Come with me.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Lim. Your father has told us so much about you. Your father, he always makes us forget about our problems. He reminds us about our dreams and hopes. But the kids here, they all miss him. And he's the only one who can bring a smile on their faces. And I remember there's this boy. He was really depressed and he didn't go to school.
I didn't like my father.
Thank you.
He was poor and unsuccessful, despite working harder than all my friends' fathers. I didn't think he was very smart.
It's not for you.
I've never seen him as an inspiration.
Hey, what?
We are late for school.
I didn't like my father. Thank you. He was poor and unsuccessful, despite working harder than all my friends' fathers. I didn't think he was very smart.
It's not for you.
I've never seen him as an inspiration.
Hey, what?
We are late for school.
Oh yeah, school. Sorry, I hurry. Oh, here's your pocket money. Here's a bit of extra. Time to pay your taxes.